Okay, so this is gonna be the last original cold start. Wow, tires are ice cold. Man, this exhaust is insane stock. Hope this is going to be a smart decision that I'm doing. Hey guys, welcome to CTE Tuning. In today's video, we're going to be doing a mid-muffler delete on the Scat. Finally, but the reason why I didn't do it all this time was a lot of stuff. Low end torque, back pressure being lost. But I guess we're going to find out what happens. If I don't like it, I can always put it back. So, car's on the lift right now. There you go. It's all complete now. Okay, first start, mid-muffler delete. Wow. This is unbelievable. Hold on a second. The car's actually popping and crackling for real. Oh my God, such a better tone. Oh my God, the car is so much better. Woo! Wow. Oh my God, must do. I didn't pay attention to no back pressure stuff yet, low end torque yet, but the sound, oh my God, it cost me literally $100. You guys gotta check these guys out, King Muffler. Oh my God, the car sounds unbelievable. Watch when I downshift. Sounds great. Alright, let's see how it does when it just drives normal. Well, right now, I'm in track mode. But you hear the nice little purr. You give it a little gas, it is loud. So, if you put it in, let's just try eco mode. Still loud. I don't hear no drones so far. Back in the track. Oh, I wasn't recording. Cool things usually happen when you're not recording. And like the car had wheel hop while I was doing a roll like at 30 miles an hour. I'm hoping some way, somehow it made the car faster. I know it made the car a little lighter. I just got to play with it and experiment with it.